Hi guys, it's Crafting with Carson. A fairy home. So this is what we got.
DIY fairy gardens are all the rage right now and perfect for anyone of any age. And rather than spending $5 to $6 at the craft store, the Dollar Tree sells these items for $1. You can even go online and get a 25-piece set for just $15. We found everything in store, but I wanted to make sure to share that with you guys. I'll put the link below.
Oh yeah, and here's the plants. They're fake though. They're not really like real life. A tree! My. A mushroom! What are these?
Oh, birdhouses and stuff for the fairy garden.
Oh yeah! And a watering can. Oh, some heavy rocks.
And here's how we made our simple fairy garden.
Put some dirt in the bowl, then pat it. Wait a second, stop this. Time out.
Okay.
Where you gonna put the fairy glasses? Cause the plants might block all the way.
The fairy houses are going to go right in the dirt, you'll see. Should we show them what we got?
Choose a fairy house.
And yes, the acrylic bowl and potting soil are from Dollar Tree.
You put the succulents in. Put them like next to the house. Looks like a real fairy's house. And they look like trees, but they're really succulents. Put rocks. There's your steps to get in. It looks really pretty. Flat rocks. Or it's a fairy tipper won't fall. And then embellishments. Board feeder and watering can. Dollar Tree has a lot of options. A gnome. It made me laugh.
He's so cute.
She's looking at the ladybug.
He's watching it, huh?
The last step is moss. Pick the green moss. Now wait for the fairies. Bye guys. Do magical. And